Here's a strange question. Would you rather improve your life by 10% today or by just 1%? Most people would choose 10%. But what if I told you that 1% could actually take you much further? Not because 1% is impressive, but because it can be repeated. There's a Japanese word for this idea that became famous around the world. Guess which one? Kaizen. Kaizen means continuous improvement, making small, consistent improvements instead of waiting for one huge breakthrough. After World War II, Japan faced a massive challenge. Its industries needed to rebuild, improve quality, and compete with much larger economies. American quality expert W. Edward Deming played an important role in Japan's post war quality movement. Japanese companies increasingly began treating improvement as something that could happen every day, not just when something went wrong. And one company became especially famous for this philosophy: Toyota. At Toyota, workers were encouraged to identify problems that suggest improvements to the way work was done. The thinking was simple: don't wait for a giant breakthrough. Keep making the process a little better. That is Kaizen. Now let's make this relatable. Imagine you find a way to save just 10 seconds on a task. 10 seconds sounds insignificant. But suppose that task happens 500 times in a day. Those 10 seconds become 5000 seconds, about 83 minutes every day. Do that for 250 working days, and you've saved more than 340 hours, all from that 10 seconds. That's the secret. The size of the improvement isn't always what matters. The number of times you repeat it matters. And this is where Kaizen becomes useful in our own lives. We usually try to change with dramatic promises. From Monday, I'll exercise every day. From tomorrow, I'll read for an hour. I'll stop wasting time on my phone. And because the change is so big, we eventually give up. Kaizen says, make the first step almost too easy to fail. Just read 5 pages. 5 pages doesn't feel like life changing, but 5 pages every day is 1825 pages in a year. Want to get fitter? Start with 10 minutes. Want to learn something? Give it 15 focused minutes. And let me give you a personal example. I've started challenging myself to make one short video every day. Not because every video will be perfect. Some will be better than others. But the goal is to keep showing up, keep learning, improve the next one, just little, and become better at communicating with every video I make. That's Kaizen in real life. One video, one improvement, every day. You don't have to become a completely different person tomorrow. Just make tomorrow's version of you slightly better than today's. So look at your own life and ask yourself 3 questions. What is wasting my time? What keeps frustrating me? And what could I make slightly better? That's where Kaizen begins. Not with a dramatic transformation, but with the decision to look at something ordinary and say, there has to be a slightly better way. And if you keep doing that for years, those tiny improvements can create a result you never expected. So here's my question for you. What is one tiny thing you can make 1% better tomorrow? Don't choose something impressive. Choose something you can actually repeat. And if you know someone waiting for a huge change before taking the first step, share this with them.